Hi, Rangers. Okay, so we talked about a lot of CVCC words so far, and I get it. Okay, there's a lot of different ways of making the CVCC words. This week, we are also talking about how we can make CVCC words, how we can decode them when they have a double consonant. Last time we talked about when they had two L's, the double L's, and we made words such as well, mill, bell, sell, doll, and pull, okay? And also with the double S, mess, kiss, hiss, miss, pass, bass. There's so many different ones with the double S, double L. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about double F and double Z. Now, we don't find a lot of these words, but we want to make sure that when you guys do come across them, you know how to decode them. Okay? That makes kind of sense. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch here, and we're going to look at my blocks over here. Now, please be patient with me because I'm really doing my best over here with these crazy words with double F and double Z. Okay? We are going to try to play with some of the vowels, and we're going to add some words. Now, some words you'll be like, oh yeah, I know these words, and some of them you'll be like, well, that's a first. So that's okay. The whole point is for us to help you how to decode them. So here we go. I'm going to tell you right away, there's not a lot of words with a, f. Remember, when we have these double letters over here, the double consonants, we just say it as one sound. So this is still f, and this is still z. Okay? So, af, not really much there to work with. This is as. Now, by itself, it doesn't really make sense, but there is one word that has this opportunity to for us to decode. J, a, z, jazz. Okay? It's a genre of music. It's really cool. You should check it out. Mr. Carter would be so proud. Jazz. Okay? I'm not going to say it j, a, z, because that doesn't really sound right. Jazz. Okay? Just one Z sound. Okay? I'm going to take that one away. Okay? F, as. No, not much there either. So I'm going to move on to the next vowel. If, I can make pith. I can make, what is that? Biff. Not really a real word. Hif. That's not a real word either. Okay? So we move on to is. Ms. No. Piz. No. Biz. No. His. It kind of sounds like the word his with H-I-S, but that's not how we spell it. Okay? So not much there either. We move on. Ooh, this one is interesting. I really like this one. I'm going to tell you why. Let's try to decode it. Off. Off. Now, I know that you guys have your sight word of over here, and it has a V sound at the end, really. This also is a sight word, off, and it's a soft F at the end because it has got two of them, okay? It's off, like you're turning the light off. On, off, on, off. Okay, but it has two F's. So I want you guys to pay attention when you come across one or the other. Make sure you guys pay attention which sight word it is, whether it is of or off. Okay, remember that with the double F, it's a soft F. Okay, off. Good. Now over here, I'm gonna erase with my little monster one. See? Whee! Erase. Okay. Oz. Pause. Wow. Sorry. Pause. That doesn't make any sense. Moz. Does not make sense. Okay, so I'm gonna move on. All right. This one's a cool one. Uff. By itself, it does not make any real word. But if I am a big, bad wolf, I will puff. And I will huff. And I'll blow your house down. Oopsies. I blew too hard. Eek. But you get the idea. I will huff and I will puff. Okay? There is another one that I like, and you will see it on the next slide, is cuff. A cuff is like on a shirt where you have the part of a shirt that goes around your wrist, but it's also like on the policeman that they cuff you. If you are a bad guy or a bad girl, they're going to cuff you. Okay? They're going to put these little, look like bracelets with a chain. Yeah, not a good thing for you to be in. Okay? Cuff. It's a cuff. Okay? All right. Now, I'm going to put this one over here. This is us. Us. Now, who can tell me what kind of sound does a bee make? Oh, good one. Buzz. And this is how we spell the word buzz. That's kind of cool. I kind of like it. Buzz. That's also the name of Buzz Lightyear. Now we would have to make this an uppercase. Remember, if it were a name, it would have to be an uppercase because we respect the names of people and things, okay? But because we're just talking about the sound of a bee, bzz, okay, it is spelled B-A-Z with lower cases, okay? So when you come across different words that have a double F or a double Z, you just say it one time, okay? It's not going to be f-f, it's not going to be z, it's going to be f and z, like buzz, like the word off, okay? Or huff. Remember, it's a soft F at the end. All right, friends, I'm going to add our words to our fancy schmancy little chart. And look at the little practice together, what I made, and how we're going to decode words as we are going to try to figure out whether there's a double F that belongs or a double Z. All right, have fun, guys.